Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to pin your important message or your important chat on a Google Chat application. First thing we have to do is open the Google Chat application. Open your app library. In the search button you just need to type chat, and this is the icon of the Google Chat itself, so you just need to click it to open it. Wait until it's totally open, and the next thing you need to do is just go find the chat that you want to make them to be in the top side of your timeline or home page. And let's say here I would like to pin this part. The thing that you need to do, there will be two ways. The first way is just go open it, and after that you just need to open this information, and there will be one of the option, which is the pin. You just need to go click this pin and go back into the home page, and this will be stay in the top whenever another message coming up. And the next thing you need to do, or the second way to pin your chat, is go back, and let's say I would like to pin this. Go click and hold the chat that you want to pin, and there will be also pop up several options here, and just go click pinned, and you already pinned this conversation to be on the top. So whenever another chat coming, this chat will stay on the top no matter what. So that is the way how to pin the message on Google Chat. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you for the next tutorial.